Months after bloody ethnic violence in Manipur that left over 200 dead and left thousands displaced, a strong unity pitch from Union Home Minister Amit Shah at this election rally in Imphal in support of party candidate Basant Singh for the inner Manipur Lok Sabha seat.
मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए वोट जाने वाला ये चुनाव जो है भाजपा और कांग्रेस के बीच में नहीं है। ये चुनाव मणिपुर को तोड़ने की बात करने वाले और मणिपुर को जोड़कर रखने वालों के बीच में चुनाव। मणिपुर को तोड़ने की किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है, हम मणिपुर को तोड़ने नहीं देंगे।
But rhetoric apart, the ethnic divide in Manipur extends to all spheres, including politics. Ever since last year's violence, Kuki-Zo community, including its MLAs, have been demanding separate administration in areas dominated by them.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah today not only made a very categorically strong statement, but he tried to send out a very strong political messaging for the voters. He categorically attacked the Congress, saying that it is the Congress and the India bloc which is trying to divide Manipur.
कांग्रेस ने हम हमेशा टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग को महत्व देने का काम किया है। ये प्रोफेसर साहब को जो लड़ाया ना है वो भी टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के मेंबर है, याद करना। मणिपुर को एक नहीं रहने देंगे।
It is the BJP only, it is the BJP minister, it is the BJP MLAs who have spoken about the separation of administrations. Nothing from the Congress side, nothing from the Congress MLA, ex-MLAs and the leaders of the Congress.
Presently ruling party here in Manipur, most of the youth are not very satisfied with that. And then the opposition also, they are, from what I feel, they are the more better options, I feel.
Manipur's young voters hold the key in both Lok Sabha seats in Manipur.
very important for बीजेपी पार्टी। हम लोग सपोर्ट करेंगे बीजेपी को, बिल्कुल करेंगे। श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हम बिल्कुल वोट देंगे, इस बार चुनाव भी जिताएंगे मणिपुर में।
After Amit Shah's no division of Manipur pitch, the political response of the Kuki-Zo community will be keenly watched. With Saikham Ratan in Imphal, Ratandeep Chaudhary for NDTV.